What's up guys, it's Michael from Oru Designs, and today we're super excited to announce a brand new camper variation available for all of our Oru Designs campers. The slide-in system compatible with all of our campers. That's the Bruin, the Tenfold, the Bruin XL, the Pioneer, and the Pioneer XL. The slide-in system transforms your Oru Designs camper into a sealed modular system that is ready for customization on the interior, 4-season camping, and unlimited overlanding potential. The slide-in's available in 2 separate widths. The standard is of course going with our Bruins, Pioneers, and Tenfolds. That is a 5x9 tent that will fit on top of it. And then we also have the XL, and that of course is compatible with our Bruin XL and our Pioneer XL, and that has a 7x10 tent footprint that is compatible with the XL base. On our Pioneer models that have a fixed pop-up, you get the full back door, and then on anything where the tent pops up itself, that's our Bruin XL, and our Tenfold, you'll get the half door. So the interior of the slide-ins have benches on each side, a plywood floor that's great for mounting things into, and a sleep platform in their standard package. For the XL, that's a queen-size platform that sleeps east-west, and these large 14-inch benches, tons of space, nice and easy to jump up onto the bed. On our standard size, you have a shorter bench on each side and a queen-size bed platform that sleeps north-south. So no matter size back door, they all have a keyed lock as well as locking from the inside. You can open these doors up, and you also have a screen door on the inside that allows you to be locked as well. And this closes up. You can keep all the bugs out, get tons of airflow, but you still have the security of a locked back door. We're excited to announce that we have lift-off jacks now. These make removing your camper a one-man operation. All you need to do is use these, lower down the jack, and drive away. They're great with the slide-in option, but they're available for our truck top option as well. Why they're so great for the slide-in option is because you can have your entire camp system completely enclosed, tuck it away for a season, then when it's time to load it up again, all it takes is one person, lift it back up, drive in, and ready to hit the road. The slide-ins are compatible with the majority of the accessories available in our gear shop, such as gear panels, awning brackets, grab handles, so check out the website for more information. There are some things that are exclusive to the slide-ins, such as these arc return hatches. The hatches are available in a few different sizes, so check our website for details. These are great options both for airflow and for ease of loading in and out, all the essentials for your camping experience. The slide-in is a lightweight all-aluminum construction with our basic Tenfold model coming in just under 400 pounds. If you want more information, you should check out our website or our socials. And if you want to see one in person, you can come by our San Marcos location. And as always, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video.